She will advise herself and stop coming there.
Who know the next plan that she'll have?
She can't harm you. She can't. Your husband is there. He will defend you. What are you talking about?
I love my body. You know this small
and your husband
body.
loves you.
I love my body.
Virus love you. Girlfriend, please. Ignore that girl. That girl, frustrated, desperate human being. No. She doesn't even know what she wants.
How can you be married to your husband and say because your best friend, his relationship is at a verge of maybe collapsing, so you are the hero to come and save my husband's marriage?
So you know all this. You know all
She was the hero to save the marriage.
And you
know have to break your home and come and save someone's marriage or what? What kind of mentality?
So you should know the kind of person that girl is. That's why you don't have to give in for her. Be with your husband.
I'm not stopping with my husband. I'm not breaking up with my husband.
So trust him. Trust him. Give him the benefit of the doubt. Trust your husband, please.
Ella, he should move in with me. A big house like that, I'm staying alone.
And what did he say?
I said, my plans, and I want to have a thought with you first.
No, I am not giving you my mind this time. No. Why? Don't look at me like that and give me. Stop.
Don't be
fooling.
Stop fooling. So why are you pulling it down? Why?
Now, James, is
your body. What is that? Don't disturb me, please.
So I was a cool subanda than more.
Then they push me to the house subanda than. What's pushing me in?
Yes, how? Or I mean from Hong Kong, the Regents.
Mean Regents.
It's a from Hong Kong, the Regents.
Miss me,
Agents are the gens that. To work as a question.
I saw Benedict, I saw the man come and say, if I say money could some the other.
Not Jensen,
I want it, that's why I wore it. What's that? Why are you disturbing? Look at the time. You are on holy hour like this and you are disturbing. Oh, just. But look at what you're saying.
What time is a day? What's your James?
But James, what's your problem? Don't you have your own shows there?
We are James.
I know what in what the officer was said that. It is for me so much. James, what was wrong with my James? What is it?
I don't know 10 times. I mean the problem, but I guess
the main problem never was solving. Who won't solve it? That unnecessary. So you are in my room. Is it the first night I sleep in my room? Isn't the first night?
Don't
disturb me, please. Don't. Try it. Try it. Try it. I said try. Just try it. Try it. Rape me right now. If you're a man. Check of it that I'll be raping and cover of it. Oh, raping one and cover. Try it and see. What it's Ghana Hamus and you take the laws for granted. Try it. Try it. I don't carry a water. Come and rape me. Well, my baby will rape me. Come.
I don't know where I nice. Only be adding up on a pouch of tea somewhere.
Hey, this is so weird. I also raping me. I also raping me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Who are you?
I'm nobody.
Who's that?
You will not enter me tonight. You won't.
Oh.
You won't enter. All this thing you are fighting over. Your mistress is waiting for you. Go. Koi. I said you've been doing it all right.
And also you've been doing it until now.
Me. Do you think I'm like you that I would cheat behind my I'm sure, Papa. Undi. I won't give it to you. You won't enter.
I'm sorry, you won't like me.
You won't enter.
Me person bisa wasem kakra. Me bisa wasem.
Listen, can talk.
Na me bisa wasem na woni fe no anu, me dem me bisa wasem no.
Don't we listen with our ears? My virus. In fact, who had you know that. And I don't mind that. One man that back say, you be relaxed like a cancer and a panel so okay, you have to just leave. You are just still talking. Who is nagging here right now?
This is about question because this is no worry and I say there.
Na then if you are not marrying, then be.
Now no be worry na say do me back on be so na chon ho na ya worry na.
So my breast so cry by force.
If it time as me see ya ma bungo to ya patch wa usubunti nya ade a wo de me ano no. Ti da bia wa bre. Da bia wo de adwuma na akọ okọ akutu amana na so koso anema. Bre na wa bre na ye de hen. What your office church ne ma na bre na wo mu ye de hen.
Kubundia.
Onze umu ade.
Oh yeah me. Because me ko tutu from seden. Onye na wo yeah me no. You start insulting.
Na ka se wa bra. Office work akọ church keke na bre na wo mu ye de hen.
You don't you think everything has its own
Okay, so they are not paying one coin. So I'm ready. My
anything. What dress now? Okay, you want anything?
Not a me, you come on your master Yakasa. Obi bet my boy, master tell me.
And to say anything.
Only they say I am cry.
Then I can want to make a walk and I'm changing anything. My fixed breakfast that you say you won't eat breakfast. The same in a damn. Madam in Chawa Kunyawe, Yebekum. Cupboard so for what? Look at the time. Your cupboard so for what?
I don't know what to say.
I don't know to some day.
What's so I called my baby? And a person on called my so wabre. I was Shadana. Oh, yeah, I was Shadana.
Virus, I don't like that. Adaya. Hey.
Zino Masino. Ana muyama mema ye bone no.
Mema ye bone ben. Bone na why da dada. Wo ye da dia anso. Wo ye. Go to your mistress. Go to her. Just go to her. I don't know who friend now the kind of or nya available. Oh, Saturday they were Hannah and ye, onya dem.
Hey! And so then, sir, at a time I would do on our Brazil. Adiana,
and you be for me, Piamonte.
me ta what inti mem be refuse me no need lie bia
o time me dia me do virus so what time me am
kasam kona ko and obi ani fiase the opposite of bia kana ko
mama kasam ncho
me no awi
oni mawie a business be na me no wa oni mawie so woni mawie am me ni wie so woni me mawie
ana na ba me ka to se ko kunu wono wanti ana
sa me kunu me ware na woni hobi ana ona ojensa
mama ware
ojensa mama ojensa ensa ne ma obi ye share envelope ojiska ne bi he mama kasam ncho me de mani show na wo te ase na wo jimi koba yese wo jimi koba yese no me wo na wo dada me ma ko jira
o se me jimi
okay no kwa you can't bro for say you being foolish se me kan chi ni hawa se foolishness so se wo je no hanko correct me amen kan cho virus me njawo ma wonko and na fasha wutire mu say wo na wo ma mi ko jai mi kunu be ma otisi kaware me
ya akora na
wo na wo ma mi ko jai no enti wontimi me kan chem say wo ne wife na kan abom enti me I should stay away from you guys tofi akwa empare me e bi kura nsida ene na me infractions
ze wo be there
me pesa me be ka cho say get ready for me wo be worry too me betena fia me ma ho ntoda
o ya be me can be we ya best nya say na we ya rough on me you be boom let me be honest with you
oh DJ Virus in prison oh yes simple and short DJ Virus in prison na me abro ti me anka me da so gina me na so enti me pesa me chia wo say no
let's go
fatu uti mu say me nja wo life ma wo ne okay watch out me pasa me be catch you. And you know something? Never more. No. Me basa me be cancel match or say get ready for me. Won't me mama me ko jai be ma me pen. Now bam be dada. Oh yes.
So open it na se kono hono.
Oh really? Just the way you sue me. Virus, get ready for me. This is just the beginning. Because I won't leave you for her. Oh, you'll chop it again. Trust me.
What's it? Karishika for Sere. Mamma said, you must have been Swen, you know, sugar. I don't feel comfortable. I was my family, my co. I asked my family, my co. When you know, yeah, sugar. That's all right. Time now will be free, man. I don't know what's saying, Kabibia, and can you be asking me, Miss Al? I still a buffo woman.
Good afternoon.
That's it. Not a phone right now.
I'm charging it.
I froze,
sorry.
And see if you are still as a before Muntina.
I slept up.
And I'm
back here.
I mean, I know, sir. But this is a few days, so I say. Till I said, I have to come along with this.
Afede, you no longer feel comfortable in your own house.
Oh, not really. Say, what's the sound near man? I buy a master deal. I'm who say, when you are just over banana, so watch now. She say, Muhammad and comment and as a month, Muhammad at the same time.
Mistress, name my sleepless night.
You know, the free more crap because I don't think about
it. Some more.
I don't know. Me can't now say my mistress are free.
But still 10 mistress.
And I said over my coffee. Huh? What's it? Now when you're doing my bahas, your questions will be this way.
So, where am I?